Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to transplant this jade plant from this container to a bigger container. The thing is that this has been growing in this small container for a long time now, and now it is so top heavy that slightest touch and it just topples over. And this container is also a plastic container, so it doesn't have too much weight and it's really small. So now I have taken a terracotta container and I'm going to just plant it. So how do you decide that it is time to transplant your jade plant? So, number one, if your plant has been in the same container for more than a couple of years, then you can start thinking about transplant. Number two, if it is top heavy, like mine is, that the slightest touch and it falls down, then you want to transplant it. And number three, if you do everything right, you're giving it full sun and water, and still, the leaves are kind of turning yellow. And if you look at the bottom, you see that the planter is too cluttered with trunks and stems, then, you know that you have to transplant it. So if you look at this, this whole thing is just came out like this, doesn't have too many roots. So I'm not going to disturb the roots at all. I'm just going to place it here in the middle, like this, and just fill it with more soil. And this one is really heavy, so this cannot topple easily. If you haven't seen my previous video where I show you how to grow them from cuttings, I put the link in the description and you can check it out. Just give it a nice bath. And I'm going to leave it outside where the original container was, and I'll keep you posted. So we transplanted this jade plant about 1.5 years ago in this terracotta planter, and you can see the difference. It has grown so big, it has spread and it has become taller. And if you look at these, the main trunk, it has grown so big. It is like 3 inches in diameter, at the bottom, and these are like 1.5 inches in diameter. So because it has now more space in the planter, it has grown really big. And it is in full sun, I would say, meaning in summers it was getting about 5-6 hours of sun, and now it is fall, it is getting about 2-3 hours of sun, but it is doing so well. You can see the leaves have this red line, and they look so healthy, and it is starting to bloom. When you grow plant and you transplant them in a bigger planter, they really thrive because they get more space. So I hope this update was inspirational to you. If you have any jade plants in a small container, you want to plant them in a bigger container. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.